was it? Are you shaking up?
No, I'm glad it hit in the spot it did, because like if it was further forward, because the door hit me. I mean, nothing happened to the car. The door, like you can see, like the door's up against the seat.
I'm looking, I'm not gonna, oh damn.
Feel it, like it's, like so it hit me here and I'm fine, but,
okay.
but, like when people say like when you're in an accident or something like happens, it's kind of slow motion, like, just saw the fire hydrant coming up.
Were you looking at it like,
no, no joke, I was like, yellow fire hydrant right there, we're about to hit that. That's how my brain was working it.
Okay.
And I was like, all right, we hit the fire hydrant, and I could see it in the grass.
Do it. Actually, hold on a second.
maybe it goes the other way. Yeah.
Ooh, that breeze feels good.
Give them the release. Ta-da! You have coilovers.
Well, I have a spring, but
Coilover.
it's ready.
About the
Soon
extent on my
we'll be
car.
able to put these on there, bro. Dog, you just ruined my spring.
Dude, you should get both of them off, or you can strap them to your feet, and we could run around like this. One of those,
Like those moon boots or...
yeah.
Because I was paying attention to more of this, so I hope I got it on the, I didn't get it super well on my phone, but I hope I got it really well on this. I'm pretty sure I did, because it's a wider angle anyway.
Did you see, like, dude, I ripped E-brake probably like
I saw it and I was like, oh, he's starting really early.
Gonna do this to you right now?
Karl, I think you're the original one who posted the death of the E30,
It's
right?
true. This is like karma coming back.
So if anyone has never seen it, there's a video online based here in Cincinnati where somebody
That one was dumb.
totals, that was dumb.
Oh, it was so stupid.
Totals their E30. Who was it?
It was like this kid that I know, Sean, and basically like he just was trying to drift around in the parking lot, and like first gear, yeah, I guess you want me this way.
Yeah. I don't want to go too far though.
Drifting around, he's drifting around in a parking lot, and he just like comes around the corner and I guess just gets a little bit sideways and then whips it back the other way, and like he could have done probably a billion different things. Not this, yeah, the sides with what he did, but like he like tried to correct and he steered like right into a hole, and like didn't stop, didn't try to stop himself, like just full speed, like kaboom, like
damn,
to a complete halt.
So didn't he, like, I heard something about like he just finished that car or something?
Oh
like,
no, he just saved up enough money for an M50 swap. Like literally just saved enough for an M50 swap.
my boy Karl said it real hard. It's kind of the thing, man. It happens. I don't know, you can't see it, but like, yeah, that was I'm sure that was an adrenaline rush. Not the way I'm
Weird thing
expecting.
is, we both just sat there, like,
oh,
and then drove off. Luckily, it wasn't like lodged in the side. Since we knocked it out of the way, we were able to just drive off. Imagine if it was like, it was like billiard balls. Like we hit it and it went.
that's crazy. So, yeah, this I didn't even notice it. I came in, I pulled in, and I was like ready to like come in, and I was gonna put the fucking tag on the Beamer, and we're gonna go out and find a little spot. I'm gonna find I think I know a parking lot right up here we can go to.
No, but Corolla.
Yeah, we'll take the Corolla and the other Beamer.
What you see?
And but yeah, so this is what happened. My boy Karl's on the phone, so he can't send you a farewell, but it's the life of street drifting at times. Gnarly. Did you have your GoPro going or anything?
We were just going for a little skid. That was it.
Always have the GoPro when you skid.
We drove out there, did a donut, went up the road, came back to do the entry, and then he was going to go home.
Web redemption. Web redemption, Karl.
Okay. That's hardcore.
I'm just saying, dude, like that's what you do. You fall off the horse, you get right back on a ride. What?
So frustrating.
Dude.
You did it.
Like it fucking like there's
Every time.
literally nothing wrong with my car besides the fact that
There's a giant.
there's a giant fucking dent in the right side of it now.
Yeah, I'm impressed though. Just went up and did it twice.
Hey, you got to get back on the horse and ride, man.
Dude, I have no idea what the fuck happened. Like, I honestly don't. Like, we came in
Like
same
that.
speed.
Yeah.
I grabbed the hydro and like it just released and shot us back the other way, and then we were like sliding towards the fucking fire hydrant.
Literally, we were like a baseball bat.
We just fucking
Knocked it out.
Alright, cool.
Hey.
Get out of here.
See ya.
Adios.
Hey, have fun. Okay, so tell them how awesome it is to get this diff cover off.
Well, you don't even have to lift the car.
So you're telling me you got the diff cover off just like this?
Yeah.
I think you're joking.
Huh? Then
Okay, see how we did it.
German engineering.
All right, so in the shitbox Beamer, we cut the rear out so that we could get to the diff without doing anything. Because fuck a trunk, it's stupid. And what we'll do eventually is we'll just make a little cover for it that's held in with like little self-tapping screws and just leave it at that. But for now, we can get to the diff without doing anything. Now we just sprayed it out with brake clean. We're gonna go ahead and torch it to heat everything up again.
Because it'll just like drop and sit on the bottom and start to smolder. Yeah, we need to make it.
We have our plate that we're gonna make.
Yep.
Measured out precisely.
Yep.
Exactly. Can you point to the line for us?
Yep.
That's right. Oh, I see it. All right, now cut it out for us. Make sure you're perfect. Is that perfect?
Yep.
Huh, well, it's hot. Now, what'll happen is it will fit perfectly in here. Perfect?
Actually, that's not bad.
Actually did pretty well.
Yeah, fix this door.
One thing at a time, James. Let's get the important stuff done, like welding the diff.
Hopefully we just did. All right. You can definitely feel it. My guess is it broke when I was doing something like this. Because that's some force on it. When you're just doing like a skid, it's just spinning them both. Well, we're back to welding. So I would just take a left and do some donuts. Oh, just clutch kick it real quick, just to do a little skid. See? It just whips. Is it not crazy how fast it turns around now?
It's awesome.
It's so easy.
It's great. It's the best.
That was a cop at the end of the street.
Shit.
Why don't you just pull in?
We are.
Oh, he's just getting gas.
Yeah, until he sees all that smoke. He's like, what the hell's going on? Sir, I got stuck in gear. I don't know what was going on.
Put down.
All right, so we had a good little time. Came out, first time out in the car. So I want to tell you guys something a little bit real quick. Basically, here's the deal. You don't have to have $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 to start drifting. I bought this car for 400 bucks. Put you know, a clutch in it and stuff like that. A couple $100 in the clutch, like 200 bucks in the clutch. I could have done the labor myself, so I'm not even gonna count that. I also have $200 on the coils. I did that myself with the help of Karl and stuff. I have wheels that I got for, like, if you think about everything I put into them, about $100. So you're at 400, 600, 2, 7, 9. We're at $900, and that's what I have in this car so far. I have a cage coming for it and a few other things, but like legitimately, I welded the diff. Didn't cost, I mean, a couple dollars for the diff fluid and stuff. But if you want to get out and start drifting and do this stuff, it's so fun. You can do it fairly inexpensive too. Just search for a decent car, a good car to begin with. The E36 was a chassis I actually liked. Had some friends using it, and I dig it. And I found this one needed a clutch, did the clutch, and now it's good to go. So I want to wrap this episode up. I enjoy doing this. This is the first of many to come. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff here with this car and learning how to drift. So I'm going to get out of here before the police show up. Somebody pulled in behind us, so we've been over here kind of hammering on it for a little while. So have a good freaking night, or a good day, or depending on when you see this. But have a good whatever, and stay safe. If you do decide to drift, let me know what you got. Hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat, and we'll chat about it. So have a good day, and see you later. Bye. You were real close.